Hello friends, welcome to channel. This the third video of research methodology. In today's video I will explain difference between research method and research methodology. Let's start. Suppose that research method is a unit and research methodology is unit system. Research method 1. All techniques are adopted for conducting a research. 2. It includes experiments, tests, surveys, interviews, etc. Let's move towards research methodology. 1. Methodology is the way in which research problems are solved systematically and scientifically. 2. It is the employment of the methods, texts,